Welcome to Secure Express App User Guide. Here's a quick tutorial on how to register to Ryde. As you open the app, you're directed to enter your mobile number. Select your dialing code and enter your mobile number, then press the red arrow button. You will now receive a text message with a one-time PIN. Enter this one-time PIN into the fields above, and then press the red arrow button. Once you've entered the one-time PIN, your account is registered. You are now required to create your account. Step 1. If you would like to upload a profile picture, you may. Step 2. Enter your first name, your surname, your email address, and your mobile number. You will need to create a password that you will remember, and also confirm the password. Once your password is confirmed, you can select Save, and your account has been created. You will now be prompted through to our terms and conditions and need to accept to proceed. You'll now get an express tour for the features within our app and their functionalities. Within the menu button, you'll find items such as your profile and a logout option. By pressing the call button, you are able to contact our customer support squad. The light bulb is there for your bright ideas, comments, and feedback, or simply just your experience. Did you know that your ride is based on a flat rate per kilometer, no matter the time of day or how long your ride takes? Pretty cool, right? Your safety is very important to us. By tapping on the logo at the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to view our safety tips. We've marked areas to avoid in red on the map. By clicking on these areas, you can see more information for this area being avoided. You now need to enter a method of payment. Select Manage Credit Cards. Select Add Credit Card. Enter the card holder name. Enter the email address you would like your trip receipts to be sent to. The card description is there for you to differentiate between different cards. For example, your business card or personal card, debit or credit. Enter your card number, the expiry date, and the CVV. Please remember, when editing card details within the app, you will need to re-enter the CVV. This is for security purposes. Select the card as your default card. You are now ready to book your ride. The app will always show you your current location. You can move the map around to change your pickup location. Click on the destination box at the bottom of the screen to enter your preferred destination. Again, you can move the map if you need to personalize the specific drop-off point at your destination. You can now select the Let's Go button. The app will begin calculating the fastest and most secure route. Make your selection and confirm your ride. The app will then guide you through the rest of the process. Enjoy the ride.